Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 12-inch by 16-inch canvas. My Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula. Some medium black paint that I hope isn't too lumpy. And I'm going to add some white, I think. This is some, I believe it's Artist Loft, but it could be Amsterdam white easily enough. Now my intention is to use some colors as a base, but this is not a color, this is Colourarte Iridescent Pearl, Colourarte 24 karat gold, which is freshly mixed, so it looks a little odd to me right now. I've got quinacridone nickel azo gold, I'm probably going to use a few more colors. This is iridescent silver, indigo teal, and what else? I had purple picked out. Not sure. I guess Whispering Wisteria is going to be it. Should have put it on the white side. We'll see how that looks, and if I've got to fix it, I will. Unless I spy something that I want in there right now, which I don't yet. I just mixed my last amount of cell activator. Might as well get the rest of that off of there. Throw it in the bucket so the paint doesn't dry on it. Now I'm glad the edges aren't done, because that means I can tip my painting. I want something else, I really, really do. I know. I've got golden iridescent gold, which is a really awesome gold actually. And I know I've got bronze, Aztec bronze around here somewhere. There it is. I didn't pull it out when I meant to. Although it seems like I need to mix some more. And I haven't decided if I'm going to use black or white, so I'm probably going to use black and white. And just because I can. I'm going to add a little bit of medium black. I've got my small spatula and my fresh black and white paint. I'm going to turn this sideways and think about it for a second. And I'm thinking that I want some saffron, and I don't know why. Maybe it's because quinacridone nickel azo gold made me think of it. Yeah, not unhappy about that. I hope I don't change my mind. And I might have to swipe this more than once. So I'm going to go this way, so I want the white on the inside and the black on the outside. And I hope, yeah, I hope it works, because I did just make it up. little gap, but I can usually figure out what to do about that. I kind of want to steal some paint, but I guess I don't need to yet. I do want to tip, and I think I want to use a scrape dish to pour into. I love my cells. Let's see if we can tip that under the white some. And swallow that little indiscretion. And if I can pour some off, that means I can pour it back on again too. It's funny, I've got the indigo teal is a different viscosity, but it just makes the paint do something slightly different, which is okay with me. I'm going to pick up that paint and move it, and then grab. I really didn't pour enough off, so maybe that's my choice to do something else. And I'm being called to Whispering Wisteria. And the black cell activator. Maybe I need a straw for that. This could just be real simple. Of course, I could also augment the edge with the black. I might like to do that. Alright, now do I want black? I don't know. But I've got that option if I want it. Which implies I might want to tip again, which I kind of do. Loving that lacing in the white cells. I don't mind what I just did with the black either. Although I think it's all going to disappear. I could do it again though. Those are some tremendous cells. Really like that lacing a lot. Super simple concept. Pretty sure anybody who tries it's going to have some kind of success. Alright, I'm going to take my straw and move some of that paint again. Alright, am I done? That is a question. I want to do something to the other side. I might regret it, but I might not. I don't mind that. May not stay. Like the black didn't stay on the other side, but it definitely didn't hurt moving paint. I used to call these sweeps. still maintaining some kind of cell integrity, which I like. But I really like this part back where it was, so I'm going to move it back again. Then I'm going to find my tweezers. For that little thing that will be a problem tomorrow if I don't remove it now. But otherwise, we got away with everything. I just had to fill in that little gap. Might as well do it here as well. So that was fairly quick. Just messing up the gold, making it look a little more organic. Oh, I found a little naked spot. Kind of want something else. I've got indigo. Oh, it's not indigo. It's cobalt teal. And just because I know it's here, I'm going to use my acetate tool. Didn't get many cells, that's weird. I probably didn't wait long enough. There, I like that better. I'm going to torch really quickly. So I'm back from an hour or an hour and a half waiting for that to dry, and flooding it finally worked. I had to figure out which tool worked best, and it was my little acetate tools. So I want to put some trees in front of the sun, and I'm going to use a little Mead Black. I've taken one of these mixing paddles and taped a little tiny piece of acetate to it in hopes that that will be a facilitator. But in the meantime, I want to try and put a little black right down in front, and then pull up and see if that works. And I'm just using a nail art tool. And it was already black there, so it's not a big deal. And my trees will be black. I might as well try it once, I guess. It's too big. So where's my other tool? There we go. I've got the needle tip. Take the paint off it. Hopefully my head's not in the way. Okay, turn that sideways. Snag a little more. Oh! Hopefully I can get rid of that. Q-tips, imperative for me. Let's make sure there's no more black on my hand. I believe that's not my head. Of course that's my head. Okay, well, all I'm doing is pulling up through the black paint. And trees aren't perfect, so mine aren't perfect either. It's sort of like a slightly haunted forest, though. Needs to be very small line. If I wanted to make adjustments, I could still do that right now with a Q-tip. As in taking some paint away if I wanted to. I like that quite a bit. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.